show. I'm going to make a fruity smoothie. First, I'm going to get my big glass of orange juice and pour it gently here in. My mom just pointed at me to say, good, that's the right amount, because it's right at the bottom line. That one goes to my hand. There. Now I'm going to give it to Mom. Oh, it's really heavy. Now I'm going to open up my Go-Gurts with my scissors very carefully without squeezing. Whoopsie. And squirt it out. It's looking like colors orange juice right now. It's just looking like, but that's not what it is. And I'm going to cut the other one open. And I'm squeezing. But, oh my gosh. Ooh, I got Summer Punch and Peri Berry from Phineas and Ferb. Now I'm going to drop in some of these. Wait, not yet. I'm not going to use my blender, Mom. Now I'm going to use my blender. Let's put it in. And now I'm going to do this 12 times, and I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 30, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh, this is really, really, really tricky. Oh my gosh. This is how it looks now. Now I'm going to pour in the glass. I'm going to be very careful because it's very glassy. Don't want to spill it. Very careful. Oh gosh. Okay, it's dripping. Do I have to crush these? I guess I will crush them. Too much. I'm going to drop them in.
What are you putting in there, Court?
Fruity Cheerios. Whoop. That one fell on the floor, so I'm going to throw it out. That hurt. But I'm just going to pour all these in before I taste it. Now I'm going to get my straw. Now let's see, where are they? There. And now I'm going to stick it in, mix it around before I start to drink. Now they're all mixed up. I It tasted good when I licked it off of my hand, so I bet it's gonna be good when I drink it. It's good.